Is your skin prone to acne but at the same time sensitive? Are the cleansers marketed acne-prone or oily skin too harsh for you? Then the SKIN1004 Tea-Trica BHA Foam might be something to look into. Let's talk about its performance, why the ingredients are different from your regular cleanser, and how it should best be used to get optimal results without irritation. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Anne, a medical doctor, here to teach you how to best take care of your skin and general well-being. The cleanser claims to exfoliate, unclog your pores, and deeply clean the skin, which I admit does sound stripping. When pressed out of the tube, it feels like a firm cream. I always think of shaving cream when I see this specific texture, although shaving creams are softer. There is a strong smell of tea tree oil that reminds me very much of the treatments of my youth, and a lovely surprise, the product is pastel green. I would recommend adding water in the palm of your hand and frothing the cleanser up before you apply it to your face, as I find that works better than applying it to damp skin and foaming it up with wet hands on your face directly, but either one will do. This is not the right product to remove makeup, so it is very much a second or morning cleanse, and I would personally use it only once a day. While it isn't as stripping as others, using it more than once a day will increase the chance of it leading to dryness and irritation. If your skin is very dry or very sensitive, I would recommend starting with using it a few times a week at first before building it up to daily use, but most people will be fine with using it daily right from the start. It is called a BHA cleanser, which is true, but when you look at the ingredients, you will find that the concentration of salicylic acid is actually on the lower side, with 0.45%. For reference, up to 2% is available in non-prescription. The other acids you see on the list, myristic, stearic, palmitic, lauric, and oleic acid, are actually fatty acids, not exfoliating acids, so these 0.45% are the only exfoliating agent you'll get. There's obviously also Centella asiatica extract with 0.2% present, lower than other cleansers from the brand and offering soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. And then tea tree oil, giving the cleanser its very distinct smell, also with a concentration of 0.2%. Tea tree oil is antiseptic and anti-inflammatory and has been used in the treatment of acne for a long time, but got a bad reputation due to its irritation potential. Like it is with most ingredients though, that largely depends on the way it is formulated and the concentration. In here, it didn't irritate my skin at all. On top of that, you have glycerin, acymectant, a mixture of surfactants, and a few more plant extracts, but none that I find deserves an extra mention. The SKIN1004 Tea-Trica BHA Foam is a lovely cleanser for those that want to address blemishes and clogged pores, but don't get along with the more stripping formulas out there. The low concentration of salicylic acid paired with soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica extract and antiseptic substances like tea tree oil make it a great option for use once daily on those with skin prone to acne that want a non-stripping formula. It is not suitable for makeup removal and probably best limited to use once daily. Oh, and you have to be able to work with the scent of tea tree oil, as this is quite prominent in the product. If you enjoyed this video, I bet you will like the ones I linked on the screen, and I encourage you to check out the description box for everything I offer, and of course, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.